Hi, welcome to my Tunes. Today we're going to draw Vola from Baby Shark's Big Show. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Today we start with Vola's head first. So I'm going to start here at the bottom and I'm going to try to make an oval shape, something like this. And then from there we're going to draw two eyes. Now I'm going to start on top on the side. I'm going to make a big round eye. And then on the other side, close to it, we're going to draw another eye. And then from there, we're going to draw the eyelashes coming out. And let's do the same on this side as well. Now inside we're going to draw the pupils, and as we always do, the light reflections. And then we'll fill the pupils in as well. Now right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. And now let's draw the mouth. Now Vola's got a big open mouth and we're just going to make it nice and round. There we go. And then inside, the tongue. And then of course the cheeks as well. Now right to the side there is an exclamation mark, so I'm just going to draw it here on the side of her head as well. There we go. Now it's time for her legs. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw a little leg sticking out here. So I'm going to start first with this one. And now I'm going to work my way back to her head. And I'm just going to draw them back. And now one more leg on this side. And we'll do that. Or let's make it two. Let's make it two. Let's make another one. There we go. And there's Vola. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.